Lindsay here. So I'm going to show you today how to use Canva to make a logo. Maybe you need it for your business, a new shop you're opening, an online store, your Instagram, whatever the case may be. It's easier than you may think. So I'm going to start off just by going to Canva, and I'm using Canva Pro for this. I'm on the main homepage, as you can see here, and you can simply click under templates, and then you'll see all the different categories. I'm going to go to business and logo. Now you will see there is a very large collection of pre-made logo templates that you can use. You can change your own fonts and color schemes. You can mix and match, but it gives you a wide variety of ideas. It even categorizes them for you. So if you know you want a certain type of logo for a certain type of business, let's look at a law firm. It even gives you some wonderful ideas. One of the other aspects that I love about Canva is that if you go to canva.com/colors, which is what I went to here, you can see a large collection of options in terms of figuring out a color palette. So they have a generator, a color palette ideas, a color wheel, meanings, all of that. So I'm going to click on the color palette generator and this will pop up. From here, you can simply upload an image and it's going to pull pictures or pull colors from you. So the reason that I love this so much is if you're working on your logo, oftentimes you want your color palette, and oftentimes you will determine your color palette ahead of time. So for example, let me show you this. I'm going to upload an image, and here's a random image I had put on my desktop from spring. And as easy as you can see, it pulls some colors from it. Let's upload another one. Here's a photo. Uploads some core colors from it. So the beauty in this is that you can simply do this and get your colors. So I like to leave another window open because I can copy and paste these color codes in order to get my logo to look exactly like my color scheme. So I'm going to head back to Canva, and I am going to pick a random logo. So for example, find one we love. This looks awfully fun, so I'm going to click on it. I'm going to use this template, and it's going to continue to generate other templates here, other ones that I've used, other themes, and so it's going to keep it here for you on the side. But I can create this template now however I want. If I want the color scheme as I used before, maybe I want this pink color. I can click on it to copy the color code, head back over here, and now I want to change my rainbow. I want to take this color, click new color, and I'm going to paste in that color code. And as you can see, the color now switched to match my color as shown in the generator. So I'm going to head back here. I want to do that again. This time I want to grab this bluebell color. I'm going to head back over here, click on my rainbow again. I'm going to substitute the lighter color this time, choose a new color, paste it in. There you go. I want to pull this green now. Now, in all fairness, this isn't the most beautiful rainbow at this point, but I'm showing you how you can switch colors. Same with text. I'm highlighting the text, switching out the color, and I want this green, okay? So another thing, like I said, you can do is you can change around the text. It just gives you, or the font, I should say, it just gives you a starting point. All these different ones to see what I like. There are so many options. I have uploaded some of my own fonts, but there are a ton of fonts that come pre-made to choose from. All right, Rainbow Dreams, I want to change the name. Maybe my company's name is Rainbow Vision. Don't ask me why. And it's not a baby shop. It is a, what is it? It is a high-end Mickey blankets. I don't know, but you can change however you want. You can play around with it. You can add different elements. You can add different pictures to it. Maybe I want to add a watermark to the back of it. Let me pull up watermarks. Maybe I want to play around with this. I kind of like this blue. stretch it behind it, and now I'm just going to position it to the back. And maybe I want that watermark behind it. Oh, maybe that's a little dark. No problem. Delete it. Grab another watermark. Put it behind it. And play around with it. Canva offers so many options for playing around. So say I now am done. I like this as it is, but maybe now I want to change this text to darker so that I can see it better. And I like this final version of my logo. I am going to take it, and the main logo sizing that Canva gives you is 500 by 500 pixels. I find that's a little pixelated for a lot of the places you want to upload it, so I normally will switch it to 1000 by 1000. And you can hit copy and resize or just resize. I usually just resize it. And then I'm going to go ahead and download. So you could do it with the PNG file, the PDF, the JPEG, whatever you prefer. I use the JPEG because it takes up less memory when I upload it to like my website. I increase the quality. I download it. And boom, I now have a logo. Super simple. This is the basic way of using Canva to create your logos. If you need help in designing your logo, feel free to reach out. Have a great day, guys.